good morning to Reverend Father Principal, dear colleagues, respected parents, and my dear children. At the outset, I take this opportunity to thank Father Principal for giving me this honor to speak to you all on this Diwali. We have a lovely coincidence this year, as Diwali and Children's Day are falling on the same day, which gives us a great chance to celebrate the light of hope and vigor of youth at the same time. I feel privileged to share some facts and feelings as we pass through these challenging times. These times are teaching us what hope, perseverance, joy of giving and willpower can bring to us. In next few minutes, I wish to share with you all the real meaning of Diwali and how we can defeat this pandemic by inculcating that true meaning of Diwali into our lives. We must re-establish and redefine our faith with festivities with a difference this time. Let's light the lamps of hope to overcome this darkness and despair. For generations, we all know that Diwali or Deepavali is a series of festivals of 5 days where we used to clean and decorate our houses with earthen lamps. We used to buy new jewelry, utensils and worship goddess Lakshmi. We also have been enjoying the scrumptious food, exchanging delicious sweets and enjoying the crackers as well. But this time, my dear children, I believe that a message is sent from the above to you all to tell you that you are the real superheroes, as Diwali is falling on Children's Day itself, to make you all believe that you all are the real drama to fight this Ravana in the form of COVID-19. I request you all, my superheroes, to brace yourselves up to fight this deadly monster. We need to use these following weapons to win this battle. First, let us follow all the precautions like wearing masks and washing hands regularly. Second, let's not ignore any symptoms of COVID-19. Third, let's avoid the assumptions that we can't fall sick and therefore we can afford to be careless. Fourth, and very important, always greet with a namaste and no handshakes. Fifth, refrain from eating outside, as no food is like a home cooked traditional meal at a festival by your mothers. So, I would like to conclude with these auspicious lines and my best wishes to you all. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deep jyotir namostute. I pay my salutation to the lamp which brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health, abundance of money and wealth, and the destruction of the intellect's enemy. Once again, a very happy Diwali and a great Children's Day. Stay safe and celebrate responsibly. Thank you.
करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हूँ, बस मुलाकातें हूँ,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। अपने तिलक लगाए आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा, ईदी अली घरे घरे मां खुशी से माते जे, चतुर्दिके आलो घरे ईदी अली आशे।
ए दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई वे, रोशनी दे रंग लगे दिवाली आई वे। आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूर की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
दीपावली fills the streets with happiness and every day a cloud of light ignites the night. दीपावली is here today.
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आए रे।
All the lights of the world cannot be compared even to a ray of the inner light of the self. Let's merge ourselves in this light and enjoy the festival of lights too. Diwali, the festival of purity, unity and felicity that illuminates our hearts and souls. Good morning. I, Lakshita Goyal, wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. As we are heading towards Diwali, we only hope for everyone's well-being and strength. This day is celebrated as Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. In the story, Lord Ram is the inner light and Ravan is the darkness. The spiritual meaning of Diwali is to put an end to the darkness and gloom and awaken the inner light of the self. This year, Children's Day and Diwali is celebrated on the same day. Children's Day, the most delightful occasion for children, which is celebrated to increase the awareness of rights, care and education for children. This is celebrated in the remembrance of our own Chacha Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country, as he was very fond of children. We will celebrate both the occasions, but this time in a different manner. We have to avoid gatherings and firing crackers. In these stressful times, we have to come together and win against it. We will follow the rules and regulations stated by the government, health department and doctors. In the end, I would like to say that we will never lose hope and keep our smiles on, and will celebrate the festival of Diwali by staying at our homes and taking care of ourselves and the people around us. This Diwali, let us light the inner self. Happy Diwali, safe Diwali. Thank you.
खुशियों से सिमटा है ये दिन आज का,
अपनों से बनता है ये दिन आज का। खुशियों से सिमटा है ये दिन आज का, अपनों से बनता है ये दिन आज का।
रिश्तों से गहरा है ये रंग आज का, मीठा सा ये लम्हा है आज का।
अपना सा सपना सा,
अपना सा है ये पल। दिवाली आज का दिन, दिवाली है अपना दिन, दिवाली हम खूब मनाए, दिवाली तारे गिन गिन, आओ मुँह मीठा हो जाए, रिश्तों की मिठास बढ़ाए, बंधन कुछ ऐसा
हुआ है आज फिर से आंगन, यूं साथ जब से हम हर दिन दिवाली है, मुश्किल से आता है ऐसा मौसम, अपना सा सपना सा अपना सा सपना सा है ये पल।
सुख शांति और प्रेम की स्वर्णिम दुनिया आई, दिवाली आई, दिवाली आई। दीपिका छाई रोशनी लाई, जिंदगी गाई, खुशियां ही आई, होगा ये नया आसमान ये जमीन, हम तुम मिलकर लाएंगे वो दुनिया यही। हैप्पी दिवाली, दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, मुझको बाद मिले रूबरू ईश्वर से, दिव्य गुण से सजाया हमें, जो मानव से देव बने, जीवन गुलजार बने। अब ना होगा कोई दुखी संसार में, खुशियां ही खुशियां छाएगी बहार में। हैप्पी दिवाली, दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली,
Dear teachers and students, a very happy Deepavali to all of you. May God in His goodness and generosity bless each one of you and multiply your joy, your happiness, and your blessings. May the divine light of the Almighty always shine upon you and bring you peace and prosperity. Once again, a very happy Diwali to each one of you. God bless you.